Hello friends, welcome to Pyramid Yuva Shakti. I am Divya from Pyramid Yuva Shakti. Pyramid Yuva Shakti is a team of young aspired meditation masters to spread the principles of spirituality, to teach everyone about meditation, and to teach how easy it is and how important it is to travel within ourselves, become one with ourselves, and realize our inner self. To know realization is very important, self-realization is very important than all other things. We know many things in this world, my dear friends. We learn about X, Y, Z, but the most important and fundamental is to know about ourselves, who we are, where we have come from, and what is our life purpose. So what is our true nature? So all this we will be experiencing. It's not about logical understanding. By meditation, we experience all these things practically by our own self. And through that perception, through that understanding of the truth, our complete life changes. The same situations, the same problems, or the same things, events, we will start to see it, perceive it, understand it from a different view, from a higher viewpoint, with higher knowledge. So friends, today is the day of talent expression. And by the way, happy Dashara to all of you. So today is the day of talent expression. Talent expression is the day where masters come from different places, different backgrounds, come here, they share their meditation experiences, they share journey, how they came into meditation and what are the beautiful changes and how they are feeling through meditation, and also express their creativity, express their talent. So expression has a prime importance, my dear friends. It has a prime place. Whatever we have, we need to express, be it our meditation experiences, be it the art. Patri sir especially encourages a lot of music, lot of art. So be it any form of art, we need to express them. It is the expression of the self. So today we have with us Master Akash. He is from Bangalore. So recently we had a beautiful interaction with Apurva. So he is the brother of Apurva, Akash. So he is from Bangalore. Let's all welcome him today. And he's been doing meditation from a very small age. And it's been 13 years since he's meditating. And he will share about his experiences, and also he's a great tableist. So he is going to show us, so he's going to give tabla performance today. So we welcome you, Akash.
Hello. Good evening, friends, masters and gods. My name is Akash, and now I'll be playing tabla, and later I'll be sharing my experience. Uh, so now I'm going to be starting off by explaining, by demonstrating various tals in tabla or talas. So the first tal is Teen Tal, which is also my favorite tal. So it consists of 16 beats. So it goes like dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, tin, tin, ta, dhin, dhin, dha. So this is how it will sound on tabla. So this is double speed. The next tal is Rupak tal. So it goes like tin, tin, na, dhin, na, dhin, na. So this is how it will sound on tabla. So this is double speed. So the next tal is Jhap tal. It sounds like this: dhin na, tin na, dhin, dhin, na. This is how it will sound on tabla. This is double speed. This is now I'm going to be showing Dadra Tal. So it goes like this: dha din na, dha tin na. So this is how it will sound on tabla. This is double speed. And so now I'll be playing Qaida on Teen Tal. Qaida is just a variation in the Tal. So I'm going to be playing it in Teen Tal, which is of a cycle of 16 beats. So it goes like this. This is the pace of the Qaida. Dha tit, dha tit, dha dha tit, dhage tinna kinna, ta tit, ta tit, ta tit, dhage dhinna dhinna. This is now I'll be playing variations of the same phrase. So this is the Teen Tal Qaida.
It was very beautiful, Akash.
Thank you, thank you.
So
It's all because of my guru, whose name is Fayaz Khan sir. So he only taught me all this. So it's because of him that I'm able to play like this.
by hearing the sound of tabla, it feels like very divine, and it feels like the surrounding is getting purified. The vibrations from the tabla is making the thing purified as we listen.
That's the reason I chose tabla as my instrument. That's the main quality of tabla.
Okay. So may I know from how many days or years you're learning tabla?
I've been learning tabla from 4 years. 4 years. When I was in sixth standard, I started tabla, learning tabla.
That's nice. So Akash, can you play for a few more minutes? It's very nice to hear.
Okay.
So yeah, you can play again whatever you have again played. So, but it's nice to hear. So yeah.
Okay. So now I'll be playing Keherwa Tal, which is a very peppy tal. By listening to this, people feel like dancing, and it's a very popular tal. It's mainly played on dholak. which is a very which is also a very popular instrument, mainly in the North India. So it sounds like this in the first speed. So the notes are dha, ghe, na, tin, na, ka, dhin, na. This is how it sounds. So now I'll be playing double speed of this tal. So this is Kehriwa tal.
Wow. So as you said, it feels very peppy and we want to dance. Yes. Thank you so much, Akash, for taking your time out, coming here, showing us your
You're welcome. It's my pleasure.
tabla performance. I think after watching this, I think many will be inspired to learn music and learn some form of art.
In fact,
So,
everyone should learn music. As Patriji said, Brahmashri Pitama Patriji said, everyone should learn music. Music and meditation goes hand in hand. That's what I feel.
absolutely, absolutely. Yes. So, moving from music performance, let us get into your meditational journey. So, we'll do
Yeah.
some interaction now. We have some 15 minutes. So,
Okay.
Akash, so tell about yourself first of all, and how did you come into meditation?
Okay. So my name is Akash, as I mentioned earlier, and I'm studying in class 10 currently. I started learning meditation at the age of 2 in Coimbatore. In a pyramid. I don't remember exactly which pyramid, but my mother took me inside the pyramid, and I sat there for meditation for the first time. And over there, I had a my mother said that I had a very profound experience. So the so in that experience, uh, I saw Patriji going on a flight to some place. I didn't know what place, and he was and later, as I went deep into meditation, I saw I saw uh, I saw Patriji sitting in the audience, looking at a tabla performance, and later everyone started applauding for the performance, and so this is what I saw in my meditation. And later I told this to my mother in the form of in broken Tamil, because I didn't speak much that time, as I was young. I told her in broken Tamil, and I showed her some signs, like he was moving in the plane like this, and so she somehow figured it out, and told it to my grandparents. So later, my grandparents went and told Patriji this experience, and he said it's true. It's absolutely true. So that's my first profound experience that I had.
Okay. So Akash, how many years you were old when you got this or first time when you did meditation?
I was 2 years old.
Okay. So at that small age, how were you inspired to do meditation?
um, I didn't know. I don't know actually. My mother just told me to sit and observe my breath, and she just told me to cross my hands, to clasp my hands and cross my legs. And so I just followed what she said, and I saw these things. I got a wonderful experience.
Okay. So Akash, more into going into your meditational journey. So how did meditation help in your life?
So meditation, it helped me to detach from the material stuff which is around, and help me remove unhealthful cravings, like for example, too much watching too much gadgets, and it also helped me to focus on my studies, and it improved my concentration, and it yeah, so I became more mature uh, as I meditated, and I felt the energy. And also meditation goes really well with pyramid, the usage of pyramid. And when I use pyramid, it doubles the amount of energy what I get without the usage of pyramid while meditating. So yeah.
Since you started about pyramids, so can
Yeah.
I ask if you have done any experiments with pyramid or any profound experiences that you experienced when doing in meditation in the pyramid?
Okay. While sitting under the pyramid, I went to the king's chamber, and when I went to the king's chamber, my as I sat for meditation, and later after 15 minutes, my head started spinning, which doesn't usually happen when I'm sitting outside the pyramid. So I asked my grandparents that why is this? Why was my head rotating or spinning? So they said it was Kundalini energy, due to which I was moving like that. And this happened more when I went to the pyramid. And also my grandparents tried this experiment at home. I didn't try it, but I've seen it with my eyes. What happens when we keep fruits and vegetables under the pyramid? They stay fresh for a very long time. So this surprised me actually. They don't stay for a long time, even in the refrigerator. But how do they stay fresher under the pyramid? I was wonderstruck by this. So my grandparents said that it's due to the energy of the pyramid.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. When we experiment on own, so we will have that more proof and evidence, and our belief increases more towards the truth of pyramid power. Absolutely.
Okay. So when I sat under the pyramid, I also started my concentration levels started improving and getting sharper, and like the negative thoughts which used to come in my mind, they used to automatically go away after I sat for meditation under the pyramid. And also usually when I sit outside the pyramid, I don't I am not able to go thought free very easily. It takes some time, and it takes a lot of observation of breath. But over here, I'm easily able to go thought free and enter into the higher state of consciousness. So yeah, so that's what happens when you sit under the pyramid. It's a great thing actually, sitting under the pyramid. Or else, if you don't have a pyramid, you can wear a pyramid cap, which is available. Or if you don't have that, also you can wear the eye pyramid, which is also very helpful. Actually, I had specs. I used to wear specs. So as I wore the eye pyramid and sat for meditation, slowly uh, I could remove my specs and see everything clearly. So that's the power of a pyramid.
Wow, beautiful experience, Akash.
Thank you.
So yeah. So with the help of meditation, how do you think it is very important to students, and why should youth and students meditate, and how it will change their student life or youth life into a better one?
Yeah. So when we sit for meditation, uh, as some of us might know that we get a lot of energy. Uh, with the help of that energy, we can channelize the energy to concentrate better in studies, uh, which is the most important thing at this time. And especially during lockdown, I could meditate a lot, which helped me better in my studies, helped me become better in my studies. So, and not only studies, and also it does. I'm able to see experiences and go deeper into meditation. Um, and it doesn't allow negative thoughts to come into our mind.
Okay. So can you tell a few more experiences of your meditation with us?
Okay. So um, during meditation, once when I sat for meditation, I felt like I'm flying, as if I'm going on a drone and flying, and I saw the earth, which was very beautiful. I could also see all the celestial bodies in the space. It was a very wonderful experience actually. That's one of my most favorite experiences when I sat for meditation. So that's one of my experiences. And second, when I sat for meditation, I went inside a black hole, and I got out of an elephant trunk. So yeah, meditation also improved my health, and I never fell ill from a very long time. I've never had medicines. There was no need for me to go to a doctor for a very long time. So these are all the benefits of meditation which I experience.
Beautiful, Akash.
Thank you.
So everybody would have enlightened listening to your experiences. It was very beautiful. So can you share with us about your Sangatya with Patriji? So your meetings or conversations with him.
Um, my meeting with Patriji actually, I don't remember exactly when exactly I met him, but I was very small at that time. But as soon like when I grew up and started spending time with Patriji in his house, and I could see the energy around him. He's a very enlightened soul, and I could, as soon as I looked into his eyes, I went thought free. There were no thoughts. It was as if I have gone into meditation without closing my eyes. And he's a very great soul. Uh, and I've never seen anyone promote vegetarianism like this in a very strong way, which is very good. So yeah, so he's a very great master. I learned many things from him. For example, silence, and he's very observant, and he's a very good listener, and he's a great speaker as well. He explains things in a very beautiful way, in a way where people can understand easily, where many concepts can enter into their head very easily.
Yes.
He's a very great master.
Okay. Yes. Absolutely. So yeah, in your meditational journey, so I heard from you. Would you like to tell about your book reading habit and what books you have read, and if possible, some beautiful points that touched your heart, your soul?
Yeah. So definitely few books which I recommend for every teenager to read and understand. For example, the a book by Carlos Castaneda. Uh, its name is Separate Reality, and in that book, I didn't read the full book, but due to many homeworks and assignments from school, but how much ever I read, I enjoyed it a lot. Uh, in that, there's a very great master from Mexico called Don Juan, and he's also a very great master, just like Patriji. He in that book he mentions the use of peyote, which is a herb, not exactly a herb, but it's a plant which is used by many Mexicans. So with the help of that plant, they go into a higher state of consciousness, and they experience many things when they take in that plant. And yeah, that's all I remember about that book.
Thank you, Akash.
And also I forgot to mention one point. From that book, I mainly knew how to. I could mainly overcome fear by reading that book, because Carlos Castaneda, he's a very great writer. He tells the teachings of Don Juan, and one of them is how to remove fear. So I could remove my fear easily.
Okay, very nice. So your final message to all your peers, your people of same age group, what you would like to tell to them, convey to them today?
Uh, uh, from my experience, I would just like to say to whoever is a non-vegetarian, please start eating vegetarian food. Convert into a vegetarian. It helps in maintaining the energies, and it also helps improve concentration. And also, don't take too much stress on yourself, uh, but at the same time also concentrate on your studies. Meditate with pyramid, So that's my message to all the people of my age group.
Thank you so much, Akash, for sharing your beautiful experiences today in our session. So, by your experience, your journey, this should reach to a lot of young people, and they should be motivated by your music, by your meditation, and this should be a starting point for all of them. I wish so.
And
Thank you so much.
thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my experiences and to spread this message of meditation and vegetarianism, which is very much lacking in people nowadays. So thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Akash. So, thanks to the digital era, for because we are able to collaborate, listen to so many beautiful masters, their beautiful experiences. Digital era has helped a lot, and any message, friends, any experience, we need to come forward and we need to share. Your experience should reach to thousands and lakhs of people throughout the world. That is the motive, footprint, whatever we want to share. So we may not able to do Dhyana Prachara like house to house, but through this digital forums, we can easily able to reach a lot of people. That is the power of digital media, and we have of it, and we have to voice our transformation and tell to everyone so that it will be a motivation, it will be an inspiration, and it is the expression of truth. That is the whole point of we doing meditation, we realizing our realization should help each and everyone, should others should able to identify themselves, their true self. So thank you so much. So let's do meditation for some time, my dear friends. This is a special day, and it is group meditation are more powerful than meditation done individually. Let us get into the practical part. I'll be playing a nice music. Along with the music, let us do some meditation now. Let us have an intention that this meditation, this energies, so it should spread, it should do good for the whole earth, and every master, everyone should be enlightened, should realize this self. Let us sit into meditation, my dear friends. Let's get ready for meditation. So just stay wherever you are. Make yourself as comfortable as possible. Let us relax ourselves completely. This is the time for meditation. Meditation plays a very important role in everyone's life. We have to allocate some time for ourselves, to spend with ourselves, to go into ourselves. The energy we receive in meditation will show its radiance throughout the day and throughout the life. We feel so energetic, our mind becomes so clear, and we are able to do things very easily with meditation. Sit wherever you are. You can either sit on the floor or sit in the chair. Clasp your hands like this. People wearing specs can remove the specs. Close your eyes and observe the normal and natural breathing process, my dear friends. For meditation, we don't need anything, just ourselves, just our time, and just our breath. We have to leave everything aside and just become a witness to this breathing process. Everything happens only when we leave the activity and we just stay as the witness more. Just become the witness to the process. Let us not have any thoughts about the outside world, about ourselves. Just observe the normal and natural breathing. Let us go deep within ourselves.
natural breath. Feel the
Don't open your eyes. Observe your normal and natural breathing.
Slowly place both your hands on your eyes for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Slowly open your eyes. Let us give a big clap for this beautiful meditation we did today. Thank you so much, friends, for attending the session. So Akash stressed upon pyramids and pyramid power and why we need to do meditation under pyramid. So basically in meditation, we make our mind empty. We make our mind calm without any thoughts. For that, we make use of the breath. We observe the normal and natural breathing. When you are one with the breath, automatically the mind becomes empty and calm. What pyramid does is, pyramid is the storehouse of cosmic energy. Cosmic energy, which is the fundamental energy present throughout the cosmos, but we're not able to receive it. Why? Because we don't have an empty mind. Our mind is constantly chaotic, and for that, in meditation, when the mind becomes calm and still like a calm lake, so automatically our body receives the cosmic energy. So meditation, so pyramid is the storehouse of cosmic energy. It is built in a very structured manner with the golden angle 52 degrees 51 minutes, 51 degrees 52 minutes. So that golden angle makes pyramid an energetic structure which is capable of receiving the cosmic energy. So here in meditation, we are receiving cosmic energy, but pyramid is already a storehouse of cosmic energy. So naturally, when we sit under a pyramid and meditate, we are easily getting into that meditative state. We are easily able to receive that energy. You just place pyramids around your home or anywhere you're sitting, my dear friends, you will automatically feel the change in the vibrations. You will automatically feel the change in the surroundings. It gets purified, it gets energetic, and it makes you easily concentrate. So people who, they can't just empty their mind, they just hyper and they just don't want to sit and they're not easily getting the meditative state, pyramid can be a great tool for them. So anywhere, whatever work you're doing throughout the day, so just have a pyramid above your head. and you will feel the difference. You will automatically receive the energy. You will automatically feel the calmness. That is the power of pyramid, my dear friends. And thank you so much for attending the session today. Please do meditation regularly. This has to become part of everyone's life. And no matter what, after doing a regular practice of meditation, you will definitely feel a change from your own self. You will just self experience the beauty of meditation. Thank you so much for attending the session today.